Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to my channel. Bridget here. Today I am just going to reshare an old video that was taken for Food Lovers channel, and it was taken a few years ago where I demonstrated on how to make a railway mutton curry. Now, railway mutton curry is not part of our Anglo-Indian cuisine that we cook at home. It is a colonial Anglo-Indian dish, and in fact, our very own, tamarind meat curry is what is actually the railway mutton curry. So do keep watching, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Interest is always in anything Anglo-Indian, especially the cuisine. It's been my desire and my ambition for the last 18 years to preserve this wonderful cuisine before it destroyed or loses its authenticity. I was very interested when my mother and grandmother were cooking, so I'd stand beside them and watch what she did, and question her, and she would give me so many hints and tell me why something was done in a particular way. I am a cookery book author and food consultant in Anglo-Indian cuisine. So today I'm going to cook a railway mutton curry, which is a very, very old colonial dish. It was first served on the blue train. Raw smell goes. I'm adding just a little bit of salt because we've already added salt and a pinch of turmeric while cooking the mutton. I'm adding the pre-cooked mutton. So let this simmer for a while. My version of the mutton curry uses tamarind water instead of vinegar. Cut into halves. So we let this simmer for a while so that the flavors get into the meat as well as the potatoes. The potatoes will give out some starch, so the gravy automatically thickens. Now you allow the gravy to simmer for a while, and we are ready to serve up our railway mutton curry. So serve it hot. Goes well with bread or dinner rolls. I think cooking is an art which comes from the heart. You're like an artist because it's what you put into the dish ultimately brings out the taste. And you must put in a whole lot of love as well. So it should come from your heart. Thank you, Mr. Kripal Almana, for giving me this chance of showing you the railway mutton curry. Thank you, food lovers.